Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica of Tour Addict Ninja and you're welcome. I love you all. You're well appreciated. Let's get into the video. So this time around I actually had in mind of starting my own tour operator business. So if you have in mind anywhere you want to visit in Nigeria, you can reach out to me. I'll start packaging my tours also about places I visit or places people would want to go with me. So I'm excited, fingers crossed on that one. But it's the business I'm trying to push this time around, make everything fun, easy, and for my past videos now I talk about how to get there, expenses and everything, so we'll keep doing that. Right now I'm in worry, and I asked a friend of mine that I want to see worry with your eyes. I have no idea of places to visit. I don't even know places to visit in worry. When I Google, I don't see, my vlog is more about cultural, traditional, museum, heritage kind of thing. So I don't know if there is something like that in Warri, but let's see what can we do in Warri. If a visitor comes to Warri, where would you take that person to show your heritage, to show your tradition and all that? Where would you take me to? That's what I was telling him. I don't need to tell you where to take me. This time around I am the tourist and you are the tour operator. So guys, the first place I had to visit was Jogan Resort. It is really nice, related with nature, the beach, where we just had to create beach for themselves, and it's amazing. And I just took a picture and videos, and that was it here. My second location is Park Vega. I love this park. It's fun. It looks very, very fun. But one thing about it is this open on Thursday to the weekend. So we went here, I think, on a Wednesday, and we couldn't do anything but just take pictures and videos. But I really, really love this place, and I would want to visit here again and experience those water slides and everything there. So this is it, guys. Look forward to the part 2 of my travel series. I still have a lot of places I went to, from Mungo Park's house to the Landers Brothers Anchorage. So just keep watching, and thank you.